find it. So, let's go. Dual tone. It was like up the street a wee bit. It was next to a wee shop called Jaws. And it's a very nice iced coffee. Very, very bloody nice.
Oh, that is good, that.
Oh, that's nicer than the one that we had yesterday. I'm going to rate that. Honestly, I think I'm going to give it a good 9 out of 10. Because the coffee's there. It's got creamy milk. And not too much vanilla syrup. It's just enough. Excuse me. I also got a blueberry and chocolate muffin. What do you think about that?
Strange combo.
I know, that's why I got it. I think it looks quite good.
Yeah, you love blueberry, but...
I'm gonna try it. I quite like that.
Quite good.
It's giving rock bun. Like what you would make at Homiekies.
And it's funny how
I think that's quite nice.
And Homiekies that you made, like, had an onion in it.
Everything.
Aye. Like you'd be making like a
Did
cake dessert and they'd still make you chop up an onion for some reason. You know what I mean? Everything was like, the ingredient was always had onion.
Onion rock bun.
Onion rock bun. Fucking onion lasagna. Onion ching.
Oh god, we're gonna get fined $50,000. Oh, quite good. And the main thing today for me is to find a frozen yoghurt shop. So we're going to wee walk to the river to meet Anna and Mark because they're having breakfast. So we've not actually walked this way yet. It looks quite nice. So this is what it looks like down here. I can't really see the river. So the river's down there. But it looks so hot already. It's like 25 degrees, like nearly 30. And it's only 9:30 in the morning. You see what I mean? Like it's like London, New York up there. It's like Ayrton here and all, Ayr Beach. Looks like I'm at the club trip. And there's like weird like brick buildings as well, pantries. Guys, now it looks like we're in LA. This place is just very confusing. Oh, this is Langley Park. It's actually such a nice city, but it's so confusing. Like, it looks like London over there, Miami, LA over here. We've got like Glasgow some parts. There's a few Spanish villas down there. Like, it's just about everything, to be honest. This is the river. How weird that it's Christmas here. Whoa!
I was saying that to keep an eye for dolphins, because
Actually,
always there.
I'm so excited.
You do need to be looking for them.
This is such a nice beach, by the way. This is Rockingham Beach, guys. Is that the name of the beach, or has it got a different name?
Rockingham Foreshore.
Foreshore in Rockingham. Beautiful white sands. So blue, crystal clear. Stunning. We're at the Palm Beach Cafe. And it's actually stunning, guys. Look at that. We are in a frozen yogurt place. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm so excited. So I think that's where you fill it up. And that is all the toppings. How bloody cool is that? I'm gonna get some chocolate. Let's see. Now then, let's see. Now then, what's this? Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's quite a lot. Oh yes, Anna. I'm gonna get a wee bit of vanilla as well. I want it to be.
Never seen anybody let it down.
I get strawberries. They're quite big, so I think that's fine. I'm definitely getting a Fredo now.
Oh, you didn't know it.
They did not. Wait, what is that? What are these? What is that? I'm gonna go down here.
What's that?
Obviously, I think it's dark chocolate.
Alright.
Should I get a cookie dough?
Fill your boots.
Oh, I don't know if I should.
Nah, you won't like that.
Nah.
Just smart M&M's, yeah.
Oh, no bloody way. M&M's. Yes, bro. What's this? Nuts. Get a wee bit of nut. Okay, this is some concoction. Is that in there? Sprinkles? Why not?
Oh my god.
Why bloody not? Chocolate sauce.
Oh, there's brownies coming.
Oh god, no, I can't have one of them. They're too big.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Anything else I could flavor with? That coconut?
Alright.
I don't know if I want to ruin it with that. Think I've got enough.
It's up to you.
Well, that's it. I'll do it. Leave him! The light! Keep onto the light!
This'll be funny. Mark! What the fuck?
Oh, it's a handspring. So it's the next day and we're going to get some coffee at the same place again because it was very nice. And then we're going to go a wee walk to try and get some breakfast before we go to Caversham Wildlife Park so I can hold a koala there. So it's going to be a fun day, and we're also going to check out the hotel today and not check in, but get into the wee house that we're staying at for a wee while, which is Liam's uncle's friend's house. So we're all going to be staying there for the rest of the Perth vlog. So it's going to be quite a fun day. I can't wait for you all to come along. I'm very excited. Let's go! What?
What the fuck was that?
I was getting on to be a YouTuber when they go like, let's go! This is the place. I didn't actually film much yesterday, but it's really nice. We're at this wee like cafe. It's called, what's it called? Double A on the river. It's like by the river. It's really cute. And these have got orange juices, and they just came and Liam just said, "Are these nuclear?" I don't know if it's showing, but they're like glowing, luminous yellow. Whoa. That is good. That is good orange juice.
I can put crack in that, by the way.
It's like pure orange juice. We've got 2 dad rolls, haven't we?
Got a dad's.
We ordered 2 dad rolls. That's what they're called. So this is the dad rolls. Liam was getting a bit worried because he didn't know what dad was going to come out.
It's not funny, guys.
He said, I don't know, it's quite hard for me to order the dad roll because I'm not sure which one it will be.
Don't get crocodiles here. Look at this carpet bag.
Carpet daddy. Electric scooters exist here, guys.
Yeah, we have them here.
Oh yeah. It's such a nice wee walk though. Like it's kind of why I live here.
Should I move you?
Guys, we spotted our first kangaroos. They're just sitting down. Where? 7-Eleven time. Fuck that in my driveway. Whoa, look at the cans in it. That's pretty cool.
Such a good idea.
That is.
Ready for big fucking
I got an Up and Go,
What's the other one?
which is like high protein, calcium, fibre, minerals, a Powerade, and that wee breakfast bar. How cool are... Oh no, you never got one.
What?
Mark got
Oh, the lid?
yeah. Guys, we've made it to a kangaroo sanctuary. Let me show you. We're going to Caversham Wildlife Park, and I can't wait to hold one of these wee guys. It's so nice. I'm so excited. Oh, there's wee birdies up there in the cages. Not sure how I feel about that.
I think we should go
Guys,
to like a different one
There's
so
koalas.
then we can see it for longer. Oh, sorry.
Guys, we're going to see the koalas, but we're a bit sad because
Can't hold them.
we're not allowed to hold them. Guys, it's a wallaby. Wallaby. They're so cute. They're like mini kangaroos. Guys, jump for me. Oh. Oh, hello. Hello. What's his name? Has he got a name? Is that Can? Oh, what? What's his name?
Doesn't say.
Does it not? Oh. He's so cute though. Or she. We've got some bats.
Please no.
Oh my god. What was that?
Nothing.
Is it anything on me? Was that real? Oh my god, that was not funny. Oh, I love bats so much. Look at it! Look at it! It's freaking bats!
Freaking bats. Freaking love Halloween.
I freaking love Halloween. Oh, I love their wings. Hello. What a lovely boy. Oh, he's shy. Me, I'm shy. These wee friends over there eating the trees. Look at the gob on that. It's huge. These wee guys have been to the Turkish barbers for a wee spiky updo. He's so cute. That one has a joy and it's cute. Oh, it's so cute. Look, there's hunters in there. Oh, you can stop.
Okay, you have to take one at a time in your hand.
Oh. Guys, we're in a shop just now and it's full of fruit and vegetables. Look at the size of these strawberries. They're so nice. It's so nice in here. I wish we had this in Scotland too. Hey guys, so it's a wee bit later on now. We finished the wildlife park and we went for a big food shop, and now we're at the house that we're staying at. It's actually not an Airbnb or a hotel, so I'm not going to film because that's weird because it's actually somebody's house, but it's very nice. Liam's in the pool. There's Anna. And we're having a barbecue. So let's have a look. Oh, we'll have a look. Gosh, we'll have a look. What have we got on the barbecue then?
Well, we've got some onions.
Onions?
Some big bangers.
Oh.
Look a bit like Willie's.
Quite
We've
chubby.
got some chang skewers, some burgers.
Burgers.
And there yourself a couple of cones.
Oh, lovely.
Buttery cones.
Lovely. And we've got a wee ginger beer here sitting in the bin. Very nice. And we've got some peppers as well.
That's what it's all about.
But how cool is that? Big barbecue in the garden. Barbecue like it's nothing. That way you need an absolutely hoaching day for that in Scotland. Here, it's just a normal. Just a normal. They don't know it, but it's a luxury. It's a very nice garden, but looks like a giving Love Island vibes. That's our buns there. So there's a wee legless lizard, guys. We thought it was a snake, but apparently it's a legless lizard. It's tiny. Oh, it must be able to swim. Is it done that on purpose? Oh, it's swimming. I think I'll be able to get out. We'll help it if it doesn't. Okay, guys. I've got an Australian delicacy here. Tim Tam. Oh, it's awesome. I've never tried one. So I've been hearing they're good. I've been hearing good things.
They are good.
So they just look like penguins. Are they just the same as penguins?
They are, but better, in
But
my
better.
opinion.
Right, have one.
You go on.
Right, here we go. Oh, they feel a bit slimy. They are better than penguins. They're good. Nice and creamy in the middle. Oh, they're actually really nice. Oh. Come on, come on. I would rate them
9 out of 10.
agreed. The chocolate's a bit weird though. Maybe an 8. Johnny's running because we nearly sank. The boat is actually sinking. There's water everywhere, so we've all come back to shore. So, it was a great day though, it was great.
It was the best.
Anna,
day.
you did so well on that board.
Am I good?
Shit, that's all the water.
Why is it still going?